Hi, in this video, I'm going to unbox and review the AiXun T208 mini soldering iron. The product arrives in an aesthetic cardboard package with the key information displayed, such as the operating voltages. Under a sheet of paper, we find the accessories: a certificate, QR codes, a USB-C to USB-C cable, the soldering tip, and the soldering iron itself in a separate box. This product is also available in a version that includes 3 soldering tips. The included cable is 1 meter long, slightly stiff, and tends to spring back to its original shape. It's suitable for use, but I will personally use a braided apple cable instead. The device features 3 buttons and a color LCD display. The tip is protected by a silicone cap. There is a slight rattling sound when moving it, which is probably the tilt sensor. Once the box is opened, the seal sticker gets damaged. It is clearly visible that the heating element is integrated directly into the tip, which is a very positive feature. Inserting the tip is a very quick process, and with the proper tools, it can even be done while the device is powered on. As a test setup, here is a power bank. After connecting it to power, the soldering iron needs to be shaken twice to turn on, and then it heats up surprisingly fast. Using the mode button, you can switch between 3 preset temperature values. These values and many other settings can be adjusted in the menu, which can be accessed by long pressing the mode button. This particular power bank can only deliver 40 watts, but that is sufficient for basic soldering tasks. The silicone cap is heat resistant, so it can be put back on immediately after use. However, the included cable is unfortunately not heat resistant. Now I will test it with different power sources. First, a 33-watt wall adapter. Next, a power bank capable of delivering 22 watts. After that, a 10-watt adapter. However, this one cannot provide sufficient voltage, and the device clearly indicates this. With a 140-watt adapter, it heats up extremely fast, and this is how much power it draws. The soldering iron has a rated power of 60 watts and a peak power of 80 watts. I tested it for small soldering jobs and had no issues at all. Overall, this is a relatively inexpensive USB-C soldering iron, yet it offers features and performance comparable to higher-end models. My only criticism concerns the material quality, specifically the black plastic housing.